Morning.
Hi, my name's Will and this is my 2020 Marinobikesuk UK frame bike check. Starting off with the frame, it is a size large Marinobikesuk UK frame. Pretty damn good to be fair. Bright orange colour, obviously. Next up is the forks. We have the Devio Onyx single crown, 180mm travel, 44mm offset, 100 psi in the forks, 28 clicks of high speed compression, and 6 of low, not sure how many rebound or off the top. Headset is Hope. DMR Defy stem, the new style, just normal pinch bolts. Nuclear Horizon carbon bars. Hope motor levers connected to mono 6 calipers. XR 11-speed shifter. P&W low lever, which is one of my favourite bicycle products by far. Brand XSN dropper post, Nukeproof Neutron C, XTR 11-speed drivetrain, Hope Evo cranks with a silver oval chainring, 34 tooth, DMR Vault Laconda guide pedals. Wheels wise, I'm running Hunt Enduro wides, 120 point engagement in the rear hub, and I'm running Onza Canis 2.85s with 30 psi rear, 24 front.